On December 11, 2025, a car accident occurred just after 12:30 a.m. on the US 290 service road in Houston, Texas. Authorities say 37-year-old Donald Howard was driving a Hyundai Veracruz northwest near the Windfern Road intersection when the crash happened. Reports indicate the Veracruz collided with the rear of a Cadillac that was disabled in the active lane. Howard sustained serious injuries, while the Cadillac's 37-year-old occupant had minor injuries. The cause of the collision is still under investigation, and no further details are available yet.